Here's a quick video on downloading and installing Screens Connect for Macintosh. Go ahead and open up Safari, type in Screens Connect, press enter to Google it, and then you're going to want to click the link from edovia.com, which is their website. Then we want to download Screens Connect 4 for Mac OS 10.11 or later. It will download. Sometimes it asks whether you want to allow downloads from this site. Just click allow. Then you have the program here in the downloads folder. From this link, if you've got it, down here on the right, if you've got it, you can click here. Or if you don't have those, you can always click Finder and go to Downloads and double click it in here. So I'll double click it. It's now, and then just click OK to open. It's going to want to move it to the applications folder, which is fine. Just click move it, and now it'll run from the applications folder. It will create this little symbol here at the top. You click on that symbol and then just click sign into your account, and you should be good to go.